Hello everyone, it's yelby here, and I want to show you how to make a cambot. So first what we're going to do is we're going to load up Blender, and we're going to base off StarMade. So we have a cube, and wait, this is not how we're doing it? Oh, we're going to do it a different way. Okay, well in that case, let's close out Blender for now. Over here I have Starmade2Obj. This has updated since my last video. I just kinda, wanted to show you a better one. So it's like moving in the description, here's the old tutorial I made. So right now, the version they have out is 0.4. This was made by Unknown Process. Version is 0.4. And we're gonna go ahead and update the tutorial a little bit. Make it faster, cleaner, more awesome. First things first, let's see, where do they keep the ships here? No, I wanna go find a ship, and I'll bring you back. Alright, we found a ship. It's called the Wero Pirate Fighter Smuggler 1.0. An outlaw ship for smuggling anything illegal. So here's a picture of the ship. There's an overview, has all these statistics. Pictures of the outside, the inside, the other outside. Maybe it's just me, I can't tell who it's by. So whoever, author, it's right here. Captain Red Fox. So we're gonna go ahead and download it. Now we're going to zoom. We already downloaded the program, so we're going to go to the program. If I can open it. Alright, now we have this cement file. So I have all mine organized in a specific way. So in here I have all my ships. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Pirate Freighter and just name it that. Take this, stick it inside. We're gonna open it, see Pirate Freighter, attachments, yada yada yada. Just pull that out. There we go. Alright, now that we have that, we're gonna head to the ships. Just get all that out of the way. Alright, here we have Starmade2Obj. Now you need to select your game folder. I have mine in a not a personal spot, but a different spot than the Steam version, which I have it where it says the path is. Alright. Forgot to. I know how to StarMade. What you probably should do is copy it. If I can not cut. I know how to button, copy, go to the StarMade location, throw it into my blueprints, so I'm going to look for Pirate Freighter. Ooh, let's go previous, go next. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, Pirate Freighter. Alright, now I gotta select an output folder. Which again, I have a lot of organization. Right, output folder. Now I'm going to do these as an atlas. That way it's cleaner than this. I'm going to do it with max size in PNG format. I'm going to just keep all of these. Now this one, use more thread in number of CPU cores. From what I understand, based on this view, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cores, but you can do twice that. I'm not sure how you're supposed to figure it out. but I can do all of them. Object and textures. Alright, now we have this blueprint exported without any errors nor warnings. Alright, so that's all we need of this program. We can close it, close this. Now we're heading to Blender. While that loads, you'll see inside of, if I'm in the right folder, there you go, Pirate Creator. You'll see that we have these textures, a delete me, and these, which one is a OBJ, another is an material file. Now I have a preset for shifts, so let me just get to that. So I have this shift OBJ base 1. So I have a scene set up already. So I'm going to run you through the settings I have. 1920 by 1080, 100%, render as a PNG, sampling, 4 for clamp direct, 1 indirect, samples. It all really depends what you're doing. So I'm actually going to knock this down to, let's say, 75. Transparency, performance 265 by 265, makes it quicker. Under world settings, I have ambient occlusion 0.1 and multi-resolution and max bounce. Those are the only differences I have, besides having on cycles render. Alright, now I hit File, Import, OBJ. Then we're going to find it, open the OBJ. So you notice, here's your ship, but I'm just trying to snapping. You bring it down, and you have these other parts. So that's just not good. All the cores spawn in one place. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and texture these. That way it's easier to know where they're supposed to go. Also, you can see over in this view, the material right now is just white. I'm going to set this to material. I'm going to raise that up. Atlas 2, Atlas 1, and Atlas 0. We're going to be using the node editor. Use nodes. What I do? Oh, hold on. There we go. Use nodes. Just click that. Oh, look, it already looks better. Not really. Now we need image for diffuse. Gonna need one for actually this one's supposed to be diffuse. This one is transparency. So color into diffuse. We're gonna need a mix shader. This goes into there. And that into there. No, this goes into there. We need a transparency, BSDF. Can't think what it's called. We need a mix shader, or not a mix shader. A add shader. Right now it's just white. Now I need emission shader with another one of these. Let's name it if I can spell mission. That plugs into there. This into there. Alright, now we have those, but we need to actually add the colors. So since we're working on Atlas 0, we're going to go ahead and open the stuff for Atlas 0. So we go to the Freighter, Textures, and I think I hit the transparent, so it's alpha. And now the diff, which is difference. I see now there's textures. Go and do the same for emission. And we need one more over here for bump map, which you plug right into there. And that's it. So that's the texture for Atlas 0. Now there's a way to group these. Oh. Which, double press A. If I can button correctly. No. That one. No. Alright, you know what? Let's do it this way. Hold shift, right click all of them. So Control G. Control G to make them into a group. As you look. Now this one, I'm going to rename this to texture. This one into bump. And if I can hit out, now it says node group. We're going to rename the node group to Atlas 0. And hit enter. Now we can go to Atlas 1, use nodes, press X to delete. Now we just search for Atlas 0, but we're going to hit this icon right here, which will make it a copy. So we name it Atlas 1, plug in the textures, plug in the bump, but now we need to click on it, hit tab, and we need to change these to be Atlas 1 diff. Nope, this is transparency. Atlas 1 alpha. Atlas 1 diff. Atlas 1 emission. And Atlas 1 BAP. BAP bump. Alright, and last but not least, Atlas 2. Delete. Atlas 0. Rename. Atlas 2. Plug that one in. Plug that one in. You can see this texture there now. I'm going to change it to be Atlas 2 alpha, Atlas 2 diff, Atlas 2 emission, Atlas 2 bump. Also, something's not set right. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Maybe it's just me. Alright, so this is now the ship. I forget what it is to go with full screen mode. So I'm gonna pull this out like this. Go look at it in rendered view. This is how it looks rendered right now. So let's back to material. Now this is the fun part. You want to make sure you have the magnet on, that way it snaps. And we need to figure out where everything goes. So it looks like, you know, I was going to speed this part up. Alright, something you probably need to know is you look at this texture, you'll notice that this one's wrong right here. So we're going to go into edit mode, and over on this side, on this side, you can go into the UV image editor, and this is Let's see which face. I think that might be Atlas 1. So let's change this to Atlas 1 bump. Nope. It's Atlas 0. No, it was Atlas 1. Alright. You'll notice that this face is supposed to be a rail dock. It should be right there. But obviously it's not. So what we're going to do is select it. And we're going to move it over. And see how that moves over from 0 to 512? Let's see about doing some simple math. 512 divided by 2 equals 256. So I'm going to move it negative 256. And I'll put it in the spot. But if you look, it's still not the correct direction. So we're going to rotate it. It looks like 180 degrees. Now this might be a texture you don't really have to worry about, but it all depends on what you're doing if you're animating it. I'm gonna pop this in the spot, like so. Now I feel like this might be another spot where it's supposed to be a different texture. I'm not sure though. So I'm going to just throw this onto this. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this, go to the end, name it base 1, grab this, set to be the child of, you can see where it says base 1, set inverse. Now if I move this, it moves the other one. And we're going to go ahead and do the same with the one over here. Y 180. And I'm just going to speed it up now. Alright, now you see that we have our turrets attached, which the turrets can rotate. So actually, I'm not probably supposed to rotate on, let's see, rotate, because that's the x-axis, or z-axis, so we can actually lock that one, no, not that one, this one, one of these locks, there we go, that way it only goes up and down. This is for only the animating side. And now that we have our spaceship done, we can scale it down to like doing 0.1 size. So as you notice, the size got a lot smaller. Oh, here's something you never want to forget. You gotta save. Name it. Pirate. Freighter. Save. Whew, don't want to lose your work. Now you can see it's right there. Now it is one of the smaller ships. So I'm going to camera view in the other tab here. Select this to local. I'm going to zoom in. Oh yeah, we don't need this on anymore. So move over a little bit. Go down. Go forward, right there. Now we have a good side view. Look at this in a rendered view. I don't quite like where the shadows are. So I'm going to rotate this light source I have out here, which you can, vary. This one just has a strength of 10. Actually, instead of moving the light source, we we can rotate the ship. Good kind of shiny side. You can see some shadows here. Unfortunately, some things I can't fix because I'm not a god with nodes, trust me. Is stuff like this. I have no idea how to fix that. And do they have lights on their ship? They don't have lights on their ship. But also lights, it's something I just can't fix. Oh, that's probably something we should do. Let's set this back. Come on. Material. Please. Something I found I am not good with is actually getting lighting to work the way I want it to. So we go back to the node editor. So all these to, let's say, 10. I'm not sure what colors would be the best, or what strength would be. 10. I'm saying 10, I'm putting 15, whatever. But you'll notice it is brighter in here, but there is no actual texture where there are actual lights. So this is something I just don't know how to fix. If somebody knows, please tell me, and I'll splice it into the end of this video. For now, this is just what we have. Here's the render. You'll notice there are fireflies, but that's just because of render quality that I have it set to. It's mostly set for fast, yet pretty okay. So, you know. Alright, well that's been a tutorial of how to use StarMade2Obj. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.